Moving on, after the violence at the prestigious Jadavpur University in Kolkata between police and students, now begins the blame game. The Vice-Chancellor of the university blames students for unruly behavior. The VC, who was taken out by agitating students over inaction in a molestation case, said he was forced to seek help from the police as students tried to assault him.
I have seen a number of students whose faces were unknown, and our teachers, they told that they were not their students. They were sitting in demonstration and they turned violent during that operation.
So what is your next steps?
We need to consult our executive council, and I will inform it to the government, and accordingly we will proceed.
This protest has been going on for the last 150 hours, and last night at 2:30 a.m. the lights went off and people in civil clothes, they came and they attacked us. I am a victim. We were molested in the in the middle of the night. Not the police, people in the civil clothes, and the police, they charged us. There was lathi charge on us. We were unarmed and we did not attack them back because we are just fighting for justice, and we were making music at that time. And then we went over and we blocked the Jadavpur crossing, and then we were threatened as usual again that we have to. We just want the VC to come. We wanted an impartial investigation about the 28th molestation case which happened in the campus, but then the VC refused to come and meet us. And I don't know how he channelized his whatever he had to say through the students, to the teachers, and through the police, majorly through the police yesterday. And right now, after whatever happened, after the lathi charge, after the molestation case, people have been picked up, arrested, there are people in the hospitals. We just want the VC to resign right now.
The one thing what I can say as a JU student is that what happened is shameful. Some people came in civil dress. We are not sure whether they were police or not. They may be the 3MC cadres. They came and caught us and thrown away. I was thrown thrice. The police has already said that they are invited by the Vice-Chancellor. And now we don't consider our Honorable Vice-Chancellor to be our guardian. We want him to resign.